In this video, we will continue with Microsoft Word and we will start with Insert tab. First step, I will save my file. I will generate a random 10 paragraph with 5 statements inside each paragraph. I will make the alignment justify. Now I will go to Insert Picture. I go to this device. I will go where I have my picture. I choose the picture and click on Insert. Once I add a picture, you will notice that Microsoft Word automatically open a new tab called Format tab. If I click outside the picture, Format tab has been removed. Again, if I click on the picture, Format tab will open again. In Format tab, first option is to change the picture style. From here, I have different style to my picture. For example, I can apply this style or this style. I can choose any style I want. Another option is to to control the picture border. First step in picture border, I can choose the color. I can choose also to change the weight of the border. Notice how the weight is changing. Also, I can change the style of border, for example, from line to dashed. Also, another option is to add picture effects. For example, I can add a shadow to a reflection to my picture, to add a shadow to my picture. Here I can control where I need to put the shadow. For example, the shadow here is at top. To remove the shadow again, I can click again on shadow and choose no shadow. We can add a glow to my picture. I can add a soft edge. I can add a 3D rotation effect. Also, to remove the 3D rotation effect, I can click again on no rotation. Another option for the picture, I can resize the picture. I can use the mouse. I click and drag to resize the picture, or I can use this panel. For example, if I need exactly the height to be 2 inches, I click here, I put 2 and click on enter, and the size will be automatically corrected. To set a picture now according to paragraph, we use what we call wrapping or wrap text. So wrap text is used to set my picture according to my paragraph. For example, here I will put first type is square. Let's change the style. Now you can notice that the picture around the picture I have a square. This is what we called square. Tight is to put the picture inside text, so the text will be directly around the picture. Top and bottom, so no text on the left or the right of the picture, only at the top and at the bottom, no text at the left or at the right of the picture. I can put the picture behind the text, or I can put the picture in front of the text. Also, I can add in wrapping point manually. For example, if I need to make the text close to the picture, I can control my wrapping points automatically. So again, if I need to insert picture, let's add a picture here. I will go to insert picture from this device. I choose the picture. I can change the style. I can resize my picture. I can apply an effect. For example, I will apply a reflection. I can change the borders and border style. Also, I can control the wrapping. For example, I can put it square, tight, top and bottom, behind the text, in front of the text, or I can control the wrapping points manually. I will choose, for example, as a first step here, I will choose a square. I will put the picture as a square. To delete a pictures, simply we can select the picture and click the delete button on the keyboard. Also, I can add a shapes. To add a shape, I go also to insert. From shapes, I can choose any shape I want. The shape will not be added automatically. I need to draw the shape using the mouse. So again, to add a shape, I go to insert. I go to shapes. From here, you notice that I have a long list of shape. I will choose the shape I need. For example, this shape. The shape will not be added automatically. I need to draw it, so using the mouse, I draw the shape. Also, same as for picture, format tab will be displayed. From here, I can change the style. I can change the fill. Fill is the background of the shape. For example, I can choose no color. I can choose a gradient color, a texture, a picture. For example, I can set this as background of my shape. Also, I can control the outline. Outline is the border. I can control also the size of the outline and the style of the outline. So to add now a text to my shape, right click on the shape and I click on add text. Now I can type. For example, I will type, for example, if I am a student, I will type my ID, for example. I can select from here. I can set a style to my text. I can change the color. I can change also the outline. Let's change first the size. I will go to here. I will increase the size. Again, I will go to Format tab. From the word styles, I will change the fill color. I will change the outline color. Also, I can change the weight of the outline. Also, I can add an effect inside the shape. Again, here also, I can use the wrapping option to set the shape as square or to make it tight or top and bottom, so no text at the left or at the right, or for example to make it behind text, in front of text, or to add to edit the wrapping points. So to delete shape, again same as a picture, I click on the shape and on the keyboard I click on delete. So again, from insert I go to shapes. From the long list I choose the style I want. I need to draw it using mouse. I can change the style. I can change the color of the fill, the color of the and the style of the outline. I can add shape effects. To add a text, I can right click, add text. I can type the text and I can style my text. Also, for the shape, I can control the wrapping to put it as a square, tight, top and bottom, behind the text, in front of the text, or to add the wrapping point. Here, I will add it top and bottom. Now, let's continue with another option in insert is to insert smart art. When I click on smart art, but first, smart art is a professional object. I can choose any smart art from the long list I have. I have a long list. I can choose any smart art. I have list, I have a process. Let's choose, for example, a process. I will choose, for example, this process. From this button, I can edit the text. For example, let's call them step 1, step 2, step 3. To add more steps, I click on enter. Step 4, step 5. If I don't need step 5, I can just delete step 5. Also, if I don't need step 4, using backspace, I can delete step number 4. To add again, I click here and type step 4. From the design tab, here for smart art, two new tab open, design and format tab. So if I click outside and then click again on smart art, I have two options now, two new tabs, design and format tab. From the design tab, I can change the layout. If I need to change the layout, I can, for example, I need this layout. I can change the color. Also, I can change the style. So, from Design tab, I can change the layout, the color, and the layout. To delete a smart art, I need to click at the border and then click delete button. Again, go to insert, smart art. I choose the smart art I need. For example, I will choose cycle for this time. I will add, for example, 1, 2, 3. I don't want 4 and 5. From design tab, I choose the layout. I can change the color and I can choose the smart art style. Also in format tab, I can control the shape. For example, for this shape, I can change the style. Same as we did for shapes, for insert shapes. Another option in insert is to insert a screenshot. To insert a screenshot, I click on screenshot, screen clipping. Now I can take, using the mouse, the picture I need, and it will be added to my Word file as a picture. Now again, the format tab will open. Same tab for picture. I can choose the style, I can control the border, the effects, the layout, the wrapping. Also, in Insert tab, I have the option to insert a hyperlink or a link. For example, if I have Google Word, I need to, when I click on Google to open Google website, so I choose Google, insert, I go to link or hyperlink. In existing file or web page, I will put, for example, google.com. Now, if I click on Ctrl on the keyboard and click, it will open for me Google page. So let's try another link. For example, I will add a link that go to gmail.com. I will type Gmail from insert, link, existing file or web page. I will type here gmail.com. Now if I click on Gmail, it will open